What's up, Royals? Welcome to Tonitra's Garden. In today's video, we are going to be planting some garlic into two different containers. And I believe one of these is hard neck and one of these is soft neck. So I just went and purchased these from my local grocery store. And yeah, I figured I'd try my hand at planting garlic. So this is the first time I'll be planting garlic, but they say that garlic is like a hands-off crop, that you could just plant it and let it go. Just make sure that the soil is moist and you're good to go. So yeah, I think this one is the soft neck, this white one, and then this one is probably the hard neck. Correct me if I'm wrong. And we're gonna go ahead and plant these up. So I'm just gonna label these as white garlic and purple garlic just so I know which one's which. So first we're gonna go ahead and separate our garlic. So you just peel off the layers. Okay. All right, so we've peeled off the outside layer and I'm just gonna go ahead and just start to pull these apart. Like that. Let me know in the comments below if you've grown garlic before, what variety you grow. Do you like growing garlic? Is it as easy as they say it is? Okay, so let's see. I want to get a couple of good cloves that I feel like would do well. So we're going to do this one. This one. I'm going to do the big ones. So here I have two different containers. The height on this is about 6 inches and you want about 6 inches for garlic. They don't get too deep rooted, so this container is more than enough growing space. I think this is like a 12 or more inches. This is about 6 inches. So if you have a 6-inch pot, that is perfect. We're gonna go ahead and get to planting. Winter is coming and I want to get this garlic in because they say garlic needs like a cold spell in order to properly grow in the spring. So in here, I do have container mix in these, plus a little bit of my raised bed soil. So I just did a mixture. This is more of an experiment just to see how they grow and if I even like growing garlic. I don't use a lot of garlic, but you know, if it's easy to grow, I would probably use it more. So here I'm just throwing a little bit of bone meal into the soil because these are root crops. So I'm going to just throw some bone meal into each one of these containers. And we're just going to mix it in a little bit and just mix that into the top layer. About the first 2 inches should be good. Okay. Oh. I lost one. Okay, so you plant these pointy side up. So if you can see this is the pointy side and this is the roots at the bottom. You want to plant this side up so that it can start to grow up. And we're going to plant these about 3 inches apart. And I'm going to plant these about 1 inch deep. Okay, and you do want to cover the pointy side, the tip of the clove with soil. It will find its way out. So you just go ahead and dig it down in there. Don't be afraid. 1, 2. We're going to do 3 inches. We're going to max out this container. So we're going to put in 5 of these and see what we get. Okay. Let's see. We'll do, I want to get one with some good roots. We'll do this one. Okay. You don't want them too close to the side of the container, maybe about 1 inch away from the side of the container. And then we're going to go ahead and cover these up. And that's it. Basically, we're gonna water this in, and then I'm going to cover it with leaves as a mulch, and they should be good through winter until summertime when it's time to harvest them. I chose to put these in containers because I've never grown them before, and I didn't want to take up precious real estate in my raised beds. And I don't really use these types of containers anymore like that. I usually use my raised beds for all of my root vegetables and stuff like that. So these are just extra containers that I had laying around. I might as well put them to use if it's just going to be a set it and forget it type of deal. So this one I'm going to set down here. We're going to move on to this one. Garlic in this one. I'm going to do the same thing. And this was just like the spur of the moment. I went to the grocery store and I remembered that this time of year was good for garlic. So I just grabbed a couple of garlic cloves. I don't know if these are organic or not. I don't know. I believe purple garlic has a more milder flavor. I probably need to take my gloves off, huh? And I'm gonna try to get 5 into this container as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Nice big ones. Okay. Pointy side up. I'm just gonna put them down an inch deep, making sure to cover the tips at the top. Then we're gonna go for one in the middle. See what happens. There we go. Something like that. Just cover them over. Pack it down a little bit. This one too. Okay. Let me go grab my watering can. Okay, so we're gonna water these in well because we don't want to keep watering these throughout the season. You just want to do a couple good waters and that be that. Garlic likes well draining soil, so potting mix is really good. Water this one in. Nice deep water. Okay. Just gonna get a couple leaves, place it over the top as mulch, and that will be good for the soil as well. And this will break down over the winter. Remove any big sticks or anything. All right, Royal, so that wraps it up for planting garlic in containers. Super easy. Let me know if you try this out yourself. Leave a comment down below what your favorite garlic is to grow. I would love to know. And I'm gonna put these in a sunny location so they can start sprouting and set them and forget them. All right, Royals, I will see you in my next video. Bye.